It's back to school and you want your hair to look good. If you have this haircut, the most popular haircut out there, especially if you're a teenager and you want to look good for the start of the school season, you want everyone to be like, oh my gosh, your hair's amazing. Yes, this is a very popular haircut. A lot of people have this, but yours needs to look the best. So this is going to be a super, super awesome quick hair tip if you're in school or if you're in a rush in the morning. Your hair is dry, you've slept on it, you don't have time to wash your hair in the morning, you're kind of running late. Your hair could be one, fully straight like this. This is 100% straight hair, okay? The next thing is what I would suggest doing is you need the right products. That's where you got to ask mom and dad or someone in the household, hey, can you buy this for me? It's the Salon Guy's #1 selling product, the best sea salt spray out there, and I'm a 30+ year hairstylist that developed this. So, how this is going to work for you, you can spray it on dry hair. So bring the hair back like this, one spray, like that, 1, 2, and that's it. So 3 spritzes in total. You don't have to overspray this, and I suggest don't overspraying this. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to bring the hair back with the palm of your hand like this, almost like you're wiping the hair back. And what that is doing is making the product absorb into the hair. And now what I'm doing is I'm actually running my fingers through to create that separation. And you're gonna start to feel a little bit of a light grit to the hair because that's the sea salt spray that is absorbing into the hair, which is gonna give you that volume and that texture. Okay, so once we go all the way back, what we're gonna do is take the palm of our hand, run it across the forehead, and we're gonna push that hair back like this. Then we're going to give it a couple of swirls like this, a couple of circles, and then next thing you know, there you go. You've got the flip, you've got the hair that you're looking for, and you're ready to go to school. Very, very quick. You've got that kind of volume, that TikTok look that everybody's looking for, and you're ready to go. Now, will this last all day? Possibly not, because if you're doing sports, you're in a rush, whatever it is, it may not. However, what you can do before you leave, this is the second product you're going to need. My Locked XL hairspray. This is the newest version, Locked XL. All right? It's a medium holding hairspray that's going to add a little more hold to this. So hold it away from the hair like this. Give it a good spray. You can then piece it out if you want and put it into place. And that is going to help you achieve the hairstyle, okay? So, again, spray it where you need it. Let the hair settle in, the spray settle in, and then you'll be good to go. Now, let's just say, if you're in school, a few hours go by, you have to go to the bathroom, you go look in the mirror, and you're like, oh, it's gone a little flat like this. What do? Bring the hair back again, like so. Rework this. Tidal Wave and my products, they actually stay in the hair and they're really good to help absorb. So maybe bring this down a little bit closer, give it a couple of swirls, and then there you go, just like that. You got your hair back up again. Once again, let's go. A couple of swirls like this, and then boom, there it is. Piece it out, and you're gonna go back and people say, whoa, your hair, how'd you get your hair to look like that? Well, there it is, all these little hair tips. And these are things that you need to do. They're quick little hair tips. This is Hair Tip Tuesday, so, I want to bring you the best tips you can possibly get for styling your hair. This is quick, done on fully dry hair, utilizing 2 of my products. So, talk to someone at home. You can use code YouTube20. You get 20% off when you purchase this, which is a really, really nice discount. Then you can get these products, spray them in before you're off to school. Now, if you do want to have this actual haircut, I have literally dozens upon dozens of videos here on YouTube. Just go on here on YouTube and type in the Salon Guy TikTok haircut, and you will see all the videos I have. I had to cut this haircut, how to achieve it, the tools I use, all those types of things that will really help you achieve this look. But this was a really, really quick hair tip. Again, get the feeling of it. You have to have straight hair for this, all right, for this to really, really work. If you've got really curly hair, frizzy hair, I wouldn't suggest this because it's just going to add a little more, it's not going to really give you it may give you some volume in the front, but this is designed for people who are looking for that quick, rapid fire, I got to get out of here, I need something to put my hair in a nice little style to make it look fairly quick and just to get it more off my face, It's really going to help you. Bring back and forth like this, and then boom. There you go, you've got that texture. So, again, quick hair tip. Hopefully you find this helpful. Use code YouTube20, shop.thesalonguy.com. Let me know in the comments below what kind of hair tips you want for Hair Tip Tuesdays. In the description down below, you'll see Monday through Friday, the topic of each day. And then, I look forward to creating content for you all. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon.